Hi everyone, this is Randy with the Kindred design team, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the science die. Now this science die is part of the September release and coordinates with the Career Day Education stamp set that's also being released this month. The science die has everything that you need to help create a chemistry lab set. Now this is how the pieces will look once it is die cut out of cardstock. And this is how the pieces will look once you color them in. As you can see, there are separate pieces that go inside each test tube, beaker, and smaller beakers. And now let's adhere them inside. We have our magnifying glass, and there's even a piece for the handle. Next we have our microscope and a little dial that will help us focus. We also have this piece that can also be used as a desk or a riser on the desk. Our test tube rack. Another rack for test tubes and flasks. And another holder that could be used for like a Bunsen burner. Using all our pieces, let's create a card. I'm first going to adhere the test tubes into the test tube rack. going to add the mini test tube to this rack. And then one of the flasks here. Now let's start working on our card base. I have an A2 panel die cut out from the Card Basics die set that you can find in the Kindred Stamp shop. And I'm going to use the Distress Brick Stencil that you can also find in the shop. I have another piece of cardstock that I die cut out of scratch cardstock, and I'm going to use this as my desktop. Now let's start assembling the card. I'm going to lay out all my pieces and see exactly where I want them all to go. complete my card, I have my sentiment here that I heat embossed onto black cardstock, trimmed it down, and then trimmed down a second piece of brown cardstock to create a chalkboard look. This sentiment is part of the Career Day Education set. And here's our completed card using the Science die set. If you have any questions on how to assemble, please leave it down below in the comments or message me in the Facebook group. Happy crafting!